At Valentine Premier Construction, we actually started as a roofing company 10 years ago, and then worked into doing all kinds of exteriors and interiors. My husband started the company 10 years ago, and we found great success with customers. We've lived in this area for 25 years now, but at the time, he started as roofing, and then the customers were really happy with what we did. A lot of people don't know somebody that they feel and they trust is a good, provides a good product, but also is trustworthy. As far as me becoming the CEO, my husband, unfortunately, the entire time that we had this company, was suffering from cancer. And so he passed away at the first of this year. So with his passing, I became 100% owner. And so now it's 100% woman-owned business. I'm very excited for the team that we have that works with us. We have incredible employees, and one of the things that we really insist on doing is making sure that we are customer service oriented. Our tagline is building relationships and creating customers for life, and that's what we want to do. It's important to know the people that you're working with, especially when, in our instance, when we go in to do a residential job. We're in this gentleman's home, and then he has to have a level of comfort that he knows we're in his house. I think one of the things I love most about running the company is being a part of a great team. I've always had the mentality that you surround yourself by great people that do an amazing job at the things that you're not great at. So there's a lot of things I'm not great at, but I have a great team that fills in all of those voids. And so, one of the other things that I've always done is I never ask people to do things that I'm not willing to do or haven't done myself. So when it's been very interesting, and I think our team and our crews have found probably some comedy in the fact that I go out to the job sites and I'm like, I don't understand what that's doing. Tell me how that works. And why do you pour a footer on a concrete wall before you pour the upright? I mean, there's just a lot of things to learn, and I'll never learn all of them, but every single thing that I can learn every day makes me more valuable to our customers, and that's what it's all about. You asked earlier about legacy, my husband, and everybody knew him as, baseball's #1 fan. He played for Texas Tech baseball back in his day, and we recently dedicated a bench to his honor over in Wagon Wheel Park. And I think it's one of those things that I find pride when I drive by, and I think my kids do too, that we see our name outside. And that's his name, it was his name first. And so one of the things I want to do is make sure that we continue to offer the best customer service that we can, the best product and quality that we can, and that we are good neighbors to everybody in this community.